Whoa, check it out. That's what you call new apartment water boiling. How cool is that? Hi, welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you? Okay, time to get packing. I'm finished packing. Time to fix my disaster of previous packing attempts and unpacking messes. These things. Ooh, you go get them. Are you gonna get them? She doesn't know what to do. She has things she hasn't seen in a while. She's got to be in the middle of what I'm doing or be on camera. She's so torn. I'm trying to pack things based on which area of the apartment it goes in, but I'm kind of hurrying too because my helpers are coming tomorrow and I want to make sure I'm ready. Get it. What is that thing? Get it. But I'm also not moving very fast. We've had nothing but rain and flood warnings and watches for days, and that kind of weather just really affects me a lot. So I'm moving slow. Many breaks and a whole lot of super turtling happening. That's not easy to say. It's just so funny how things happen. I felt like I was waiting and waiting forever for things to happen, and it kept not happening. Don't know if that's helping. I don't think it is. Are you stuck? Oh no, what are you going to do? Uh-oh. You smell that would be dead meat. And then all of a sudden, bam, it was all happening all at once. I suddenly found myself really struggling to keep up. But I didn't want to stop. I wanted to keep going. Kitty food. Have to take the kitty food, don't we? That's the first priority. I think. You guys aren't watching a thing I'm doing, are you? Not really. Say hi. I'm Addie. Welcome to my channel. You weren't in the camera, were you? You should have been. My helpers have been so nice and they have done so much for me. They weren't just grabbing furniture to fill the apartment. They wanted to make sure they found the right things so it would look really nice, that I would be comfortable and very happy in there. They really put a lot of thought and effort into it. So I wanted to make sure I was ready for them and they weren't having to waste their time waiting on me. Why is it you can never get things to go back in the box exactly how they came out? I don't understand that. I just don't understand it. And then I just mutter at myself as I find the next something to do. Yes. I still have not thrown away my old tripod. I just can't do it. I have issues. Yes, many issues. However, some of my issues have disappeared over the past year. Not all, but some. That's a plus, right? Definitely an improvement. But actually, if I were to eliminate all of my issues, I would have to find a whole new set of goals. And that's just daunting. Kitty stuff? More kitty stuff. More kitty stuff. Tally's box. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. And a sip of coffee, a necessity with every work project. It's okay, guys. The cats have been very confused. They don't understand this new game of boxing everything up and then unboxing it again. I think I don't understand it either. And now it's time to just stand and glare at what still has to be done. Okay. I'm tired. But almost everything's packed. I really just need to stack things now. Yeah. Yay. Eddie says yay. Wonder Woman Ilda. Superwoman. Do you want help, Superwoman? Can you get it? Or?
Yeah, I just have to get it.
Whoa. Did you hurt yourself?
No.
Okay.
I hurt the bed.
Yeah, that'll survive. I'm sure in a hotel it's had much worse.
Last thing is getting stuck.
So as she mutters at the bed, I will explain that we were waiting for my son and Baloo to show up to help move the bed, and she got tired of waiting. So with what little bit of help I could give, she moved the bed, mostly by herself, all the way down the hall from the room to the apartment. This girl is just amazing and fun.
So there's still enough space for you here?
I think so. I can still get in to make it and tuck it in. And then we have lots of room for the stand over there. I got a little purple bedside lamp.
Oh, with your sheets?
Yeah.
This is gonna be perfect. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Yeah. Sweet.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's very pretty. In one of those boxes, I have like a 4-inch memory foam mattress pad that a viewer sent in.
Oh,
I
nice.
can't wait to sleep on that. I've been saving
Yeah,
it till I
that's
get
gonna be
here.
So nice in your back.
It is.
Okay. Try to get the last piece.
Okay, I'm gonna stalk you all the way down the hallway.
I don't know what.
I can leave it open. We aren't gonna be that long.
See, now your room feels good.
Yeah, it does. After doing that work. My bathroom stuff. There's
You want
my.
me to do that?
I can get that.
Sure.
Josh still said he's coming, so I can sit there and read. Put out the footstool, put your feet up, read a book. If I had a coffee cup, I'd give you a cup of coffee. There you go. There you go.
How to use a flat iron. Okay, we have some buttons here
You have
on
to
the
push.
flat iron. Where's my flat iron?
There isn't one in here.
I'll show you guys later.
They left 2 ironing boards and took all the irons.
Do you want one? There's some in the next room.
I think I might steal one. I'll probably get rid of one of the ironing boards too, because I don't
You
need.
need two.
Yeah.
Temperature and steam guide.
Is that comfy? Is that a lovely reading nook?
Yes, actually, it really is actually. For real this time.
And then have a stand next to it and sit and chill and unwind before bed, and then I could just like roll over and climb into bed.
Like this. Ah! Ah!
There you go.
Ah!
That works.
Ah!
I don't know if I'll be that athletic about it, but usually it's like hobble over and.
It's like this. Oh, why am I turning into such a grandma? Hilda! Hilda!
Hilda, come get me up.
Oh, oh,
I told you I'm adopting you.
that's the furthest I can go. Hilda, push me up.
Actually, it looks very comfortable like that.
Actually, it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
We should put that pad on.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's in that one box. I'll go get it. Welcome by again.
Bye.
Blue dumped
Have
us.
a beautiful day. It's your Family Guy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I don't watch that.
I know you shouldn't. It's not.
Is it bad for me?
It's very, very naughty.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll see you later.
This is pretty
If you
awesome
need
looking.
help moving up with anything else,
Thank you very much. I think I'm good. I'm just going to follow you down the hall and stalk you.
that's okay.
Okay.
Do you have your keys?
Well, the bed is missing, but they don't seem to care. You like it, Eddie? Yeah. Does Eddie like it? You like it, Tilly? Yeah. Are you comfy? Where'd the bed go? You gonna lay on it anyway?
We're waiting on the boy to help me move the cats.
Yeah. Is it your bed? Yeah. Did Eddie like it? Tilly likes it. You're both gonna come walking. I don't have the stuff here, guys.
She wants num-nums, which is canned food.
First dinner in the apartment. Just having noodles and butter with some spaghetti cheese on it. Grated Parmesan. But look, I had butter and sliced cheese in the fridge. Fully moved in, right? That's what that means, doesn't it? And there's still ice cream up there. That's the most important thing. And I have a disaster house for many, many things to put away. But it's all down here. There's stuff there. There's stuff there. Stuff there. The bed. Yay. That's going to be my reading nook. The table's going away. And this is going to be the craft center somehow. I haven't quite yet figured out how we want that to work out. But I will somehow make it work. I can sit there and look at the lovely view outside while I craft. And let Addie help me craft. I'm just excited. But right now, gonna cook dinner. There's the chairs, and Elda took the one shelf and put it there as a coffee table. It works. And that's the kitchen. And there's stuff there, and there's stuff there. Oh well. I'll work on it. I'll get it done. And now I'm gonna cook.
And the table is set for dinner for the first time. Yay! The boy is down getting more stuff from the apartment, and then we brought the cats up. That filming was done on his phone because I forgot mine at the apartment. He's going to give me those clips, and then I'll be able to do another video on the boy helping me. But the table is set for dinner. Yay!
Well, Tally feels relaxed. Massive boxes all over and everything. Don't you, little girl? Do you like it? Yeah. Is that comfy? This is your new home. What do you think? Do you like your new home? Addie's not too sure. She's exploring everything and sniffing everything. They know where the food is and they know where the litter boxes are, so I guess that's all they need. And she knows where the comfy floor spot is, doesn't she? Yes, she does. Cutie pie. Didn't take you long. Hey, Addie. We've only been in here an hour. Hey, little girl. Oh, what are you doing up there? Hi. I don't think you're going to get down. No. That's a ceiling. I was hoping it'd be a month or two before you found that. Not an hour. Oh, what's there? So many new things to sniff. Bless you.
We are going to be having some major discussions about being on the countertop now.
So that's going to be a problem.
Not too sure about who's going to win.
Hey. And Kelly has already chosen her chair. If you can see her. Right there in that chair. Hi, little girl. Is it your chair? I think it's your chair. Hey, you. What you doing up there? Hi. So many new sniffs, so many new smells to sniff. You're not going to be able to make it down that way. Hello? What you doing? Hi. You have to come down this way. Come down here. Yeah, jump down on this. There you go. Come down this way. And then you're going to have to come down here. Can you come down here? Yeah, I think you can. You jumped up. Come down here. Come on. Jump down this way. You could make it. There you go. You made it, didn't you? Yes, you did. There. Are you happy now? Where are you going? Hi. You're cute. Are you proud of yourself? Yeah. What do you think of all this stuff? Oh, this mess. You gonna go for a ride? Huh? Yeah. Mommy's tired, isn't she? Are you tired, Tally? Let's not do that, baby. Eddie, no. What do you think about all this? I have to make the bed. You come help me make the bed? Hi. Yes, it's night time. Yes, what do you think? Hi. You think night time? What? Come help me make the bed? Let me have this. Hi, what do you think? Yeah. We're going to spend a lot of time at that table, aren't we? Yes, we are. There's the bed. Go night-night? Yeah. It's the same bed, so that should smell the same to you. So many new things to smell. Hi, what do you think? I think you're cute. Don't do that, honey. You guys sniffing at each other? That was really dark, too. Another window to look out. Oh my goodness, you have 2 windows to look out, don't you? Yes, you do. 2 windows. Won't that be wonderful? Now Tally's doing it. You just taught Tally to do that, didn't you? It's dark out. Yeah, I'm gonna close this now. Okay, let's close the curtain. Room. Close the curtain. Hi, did you come to look around? Hi. What do you think? You like all the new space? Yeah, is that what you like? You like all the new space here? What do you think? Just looking and looking. What's up there? This is your chair. I put that chair just for you to lay there. Yeah, that's Tally's chair. Hey, little girl. What do you think? You just gonna go everywhere and look? Is that your spot? Okay. Aw, you look cute. Yes, you do. You're a little cutie, aren't you? Yeah.
And the boy is gone. The food is put away. The bed is made.
You guys are comfy, aren't you? Yeah.
And the cats are ensconced in the comfy chairs.
Good night.
And I'm exhausted. Thanks for watching. Take care and toodles.